The financial world is changing. Today, investors face a critical decision. Should they choose established markets like stocks, or should they venture into the uncharted territory of cryptocurrencies? This dichotomy is at the heart of modern investing. Big money is watching both arenas. They are making strategic moves in each. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of both is crucial for any investor. The stock market, symbolized by institutions like the New York Stock Exchange, represents stability. It's a known entity with a long history. Conversely, the cryptocurrency market, represented by the Bitcoin logo, represents the new frontier. This market is volatile and unpredictable, yet it holds the allure of potentially massive returns. This essay delves into the ongoing battle between stocks and cryptocurrencies. We will analyze their characteristics, recent developments, and what they mean for investors. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge to make informed investment decisions. This is a complex landscape, and understanding the intricacies of both markets is paramount. Stocks represent ownership in publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of that company. This ownership stake can generate income through dividends. It can also appreciate in value over time. The stock market has a long and storied history. Historically, stocks have offered consistent returns. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% annually. This makes it attractive for long-term investors. Investing in stocks is relatively straightforward, however, stocks are not without risks. Market volatility can impact stock prices. Cryptocurrencies have emerged as a disruptive force in the financial world. These digital assets operate on decentralized networks. This means they are not controlled by governments or financial institutions. This decentralized nature is appealing to many. They see it as a way to break free from traditional financial systems. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has surged in recent years. As of November 2024, it stands at an impressive $3.3 trillion. Bitcoin alone accounts for 1.9 trillion of this value. The allure of cryptocurrencies lies in their potential for high returns. Bitcoin, for example, has experienced meteoric price rises since its inception. Early investors have reaped substantial profits. However, this potential for reward comes with significant risk. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods. This volatility is driven by speculation, market sentiment, and regulatory news. This makes cryptocurrencies a risky investment, especially for the risk-averse. Section 4. The institutionalization of crypto, a turning point. Recent years have witnessed a significant shift in the cryptocurrency landscape. Institutional investors, including hedge funds, asset managers, and even pension funds, are increasingly entering the market. This institutional adoption is seen as a sign of growing legitimacy for cryptocurrencies. A pivotal moment arrived in 2024 with the approval of the first Bitcoin ETF in the United States. The launch of a Bitcoin ETF has made it easier for institutional investors to add Bitcoin to their portfolios. The influx of institutional capital is bringing greater liquidity and stability to cryptocurrency markets. The future of finance seems to be moving towards a convergence of traditional and digital assets. Section 5. Navigating the crypto stock landscape. Strategies for investors. The decision of whether to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or both depends on an individual's risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. However, there are strategies investors can employ to navigate this evolving landscape. Diversification remains a cornerstone of sound investment strategy. This involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and now, cryptocurrencies. Diversification helps to mitigate risk by ensuring that poor performance in one asset class does not disproportionately impact your overall portfolio. For investors new to cryptocurrencies, starting with a small allocation, perhaps 5% or less of their portfolio, is often recommended. This allows you to gain exposure to the potential upside of cryptocurrencies while limiting potential losses. It's crucial to remember that cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new asset class. The regulatory landscape is evolving rapidly, and there is still a significant amount of uncertainty. Investors should thoroughly research any cryptocurrency before investing. They should understand the risks involved. Section 6. Making informed decisions in a volatile market. The financial world is undergoing a period of rapid transformation. Stocks, the traditional bedrock of investment, are now being challenged by the rise of cryptocurrencies. This new asset class offers the potential for high returns. However, it also comes with a significant amount of risk. As an investor, it is essential to stay informed about the latest developments in both the stock and cryptocurrency markets. Read financial news, follow industry experts, and understand the factors that can influence market movements. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't let emotions dictate your investment decisions. Instead, make informed choices based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Seek professional financial advice if needed. The future of finance is being written today. By understanding the dynamics of both stocks and cryptocurrencies, investors can position themselves to potentially benefit from this evolution.